Is it on? Oh, great. Yeah, okay. Hello, dear YouTubers. Thanks for watching my video. Today we will do the unboxing and first look at the Super Nintendo Classic Mini console from the Nintendo. Yeah, great. Finally out there. I have collected mine example in the stores. Did you collected yours? Great question. Yeah, well, okay, Fliffy, you may go now. Fliffy, you may go now. This is not a show about you, it is about Super Nintendo. Fliffy, go, 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 go. Oh, I have just exposed myself. Yeah, of course. How clumsy I am. Well, let me briefly introduce myself. I am the Sniffy, a small and cute dog, as you can see. And of course, this is my personal assistant Hand, who will assist me in this video. Okay. Well, let's deploy the other hand. Great. Well, let's see what's on the box. So we have the depiction of the original Super Nintendo, what's in the box, and the two classic Super Nintendo controllers. Also, there is a Mario riding Yoshi. I wonder where the Luigi and Peach are. Okay, never mind, forget about it. So it has 20+1 games pre-installed. AC adapter is not included. Yeah, great. See back for details. Yeah, great. The devil is always in the details. So what does it say here? To use this console, you will need the following devices sold separately. Nintendo USB AC adapter, of course. So guys, when you buy this console, you will need to buy also a Nintendo USB AC adapter. Yes, of course, because you cannot play it without the power AC adapter. Okay, so these are the classics that are included inside this console. Among them are Super Mario World, and of course Donkey Kong Country, and Super Protector, Super Ghouls and Ghosts, Super Mario Kart, Star Fox, and newly released game Star Fox 2, never played before. Yeah, great. Oh, I have forgot to mention the legendary Legend of Zelda. What a great game. Okay, hands, let's proceed with the unboxing. Please hurry, I'm impatient. Oh, okay, there it is. Yeah, great. The instructions manual, or the operations manual, or how the Germans would say Bedienungsanleitung. Great. Oh, something says here. Enter the My Nintendo point code to register this product and get 300 platinum points. Okay, sure, I will do this. Oh, so this is the one and only spectacular Super Nintendo Mini console. Yeah, great. Go, 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 go. Let me just sniff it. Oh, great. What a great console this is. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, great, great. Faster, hands, please. I'm very impatient. Oh, look at this jewel. Oh my god, how good this is. Okay, as Nintendo promised, it can fit into the palm of your hands. Great, it has the power button and reset button. Of course, the eject button and the cartridge slots are not working. Forget about them. Also, there is in front of the console, there are perfect replicas of the original slots for the original Super Nintendo controller, but there it has the magic lock for opening the magic door, and you get the slots for the controllers that are here. Yeah, great. Okay, let's see what's on the back. Oh, there is a HDMI out and DC in, of course, in and out. Great. So what we have here, this is, I suppose, the Super Nintendo controller. Oh, great looking controller. It's perfect replica of the original Super Nintendo controller with all the buttons on him, and this feel is also original. This is a new plug-in. Great. Also there is another controller, so you can start to play this console immediately with 2 players. Great. And this is pretty much it. Oh, it is here the power cord. Of course, without the AC USB adapter, as Nintendo promised. So you have to buy them separately after buying this box. And this is HDMI cable. Okay, great. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you hopefully in my next video, where I will have the first impressions when I plug this console onto my LCD TV screen. And thank you for watching, and click the like button. Thank you. Oh, this is mine. Shh. Oh, great, great. It's only mine. Go away, go